Hi grilling enthusiasts. Today I want to show you a great product from Smoken products. This is called our Flavor Saver. Now, when you're cooking big brisket, pork butt, maybe some ribs, one of the keys that many of you already know is letting your meat rest after it comes off the heat is essential to get all the juices back in the right location and really make that brisket go from good to great. Now we've come up with this product for that exact purpose. So with the Flavor Saver, this is a rotomolded, high density polyethylene case infused with foam on the inside to keep everything nice and warm. It's got these parts here where you can stack them. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So we've got these removable tabs here. Take the lid off. The first thing you'll notice is it's got an integrated cutting board. So you put your, say you're doing a pork butt, you put it on here, lift off one side, do your bear claws or whatever you like to do, and slide it into the bottom. Now these upper and lower trays are specifically sized to fit your aluminum full-size pans. So I like to line it with the aluminum pan first, so it's a lot easier to clean up at the end. So you get your meat up and you can slide it through. You can also put two half pans in. So say you want to have brisket on one side, sausage on the other, you can do that as well. And then once you've got all your meat prepared, you put your lids on the top, and now it's ready for serving. So you can see what's inside, bugs, flies won't get in, and your guests can see what they want to choose, and it also keeps it warm at the same time. Now, after you get right off the grill, whatever you're cooking that day, have your meat in here, you wrap it up in your butcher paper, your cellophane, whatever you like to do. Then you just put the lid on top and seal it up. A couple of other things we'll show you in this video is we've got an integrated gasket that you can easily remove for washing, so you can get all of these surfaces clean and sanitized after you're done. And then the nice thing is I just like to take the pan and pull it right in the trash, and therefore the case stays nice and clean. Hope you learn more about Smoken products. Visit our website or check out some other videos.